my lovely people, welcome back to Lola Emmanuel TV. I want to say Happy New Year to all my family and friends, my subscribers, both new and old. Thank you so much for last year 2020 for your amazing support and love. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I prepare this inviting, delicious, and mouth-watering plantain and gizzard. It is also called Dodo Gizzard, anyone you prefer to call it. So to make this, you will need gizzard. I'm using fresh chicken gizzard. You will need minced bell pepper, scotch bonnet, and onion. I have 2 plantains here, all-purpose seasoning, and black pepper, garlic and ginger paste, curry powder and dried thyme, salt, and oil. I will also be using seasoning cube. Yeah, I forget to mention that. So the first thing to do is to season the gizzard with salt, seasoning cube, onion, curry powder with thyme, ginger paste and garlic, all-purpose seasoning, and black pepper. You don't have to use all these spices to boil your gizzard. I just love to use enough spices whenever I'm boiling chicken or any meat or fish. So you can use salt and seasoning cube with onion. That is also perfect. So I will stir this together and I'll bring it to boil for about 8 minutes without adding any water to the gizzard. While the gizzard is boiling, here is my peppers. I've already washed my pepper and the onion. So I'm going to use my food processor to roughly blend this together. Yes, you can use tomatoes if you have tomatoes, or if you prefer tomatoes instead of bell pepper. But trust me, bell pepper is very nice for this recipe. Honestly, I love bell pepper. It gives your food a delicious taste as well. So I prefer to use bell pepper instead of adding tomato to it. So once this is ready, I will take it out of the food processor, then set it aside. At this stage, the gizzard is ready. I boiled this without adding any water to it, so there's no need, because when you are boiling gizzard, it will bring out its natural water. So I will take my gizzard out of the pot and transfer into my strainer to remove the stock, the gizzard stock from it. So this is my plantain. I will be showing you 2 methods to cut. It is very simple anyway. I don't have to explain this or talk much about it. It's very simple to do. You can do it without your kitchen chopping board or with chopping board. So anyhow you prefer to cut your plantain, so you can go ahead and do it. Just This is the first method, so I will be showing you the second method, which is this. Make sure you cut your plantain according to the size of your gizzard. Do not let it too bigger than the gizzard. It is better if your gizzard is bigger than the plantain, but it does not matter. It is still the same plantain and gizzard, but I love it that way because it will make it look good and beautiful. So at this stage, I already have my oil on fire, and I will go ahead and fry the gizzard first. Do not fry your gizzard and plantain together at the same time in the same oil. Make sure you fry it separately. So I will be frying mine separately. First, the gizzard. I will fry this on medium heat until it is golden brown. Then I will take it out of the oil. So you can see the gizzard looking so beautiful and so attractive. If you haven't subscribed to Lola Emmanuel TV, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, and also remember to enable the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new video, you get notified. Okay, I will be uploading video twice a week. Here is my gizzard. I will set it aside and use the same oil to fry the plantain. Fry your plantain in normal way you used to fry a plantain. There is no other special way to fry the plantain than this. So just fry your plantain anyhow you prefer to fry it. So you can see my plantain is ready, and I'm taking it out of the oil already. At this stage, it's time to make the pepper sauce. Yeah, this sauce or stew. First thing to do is to fry my onion for about 1 minute. Then I will go ahead and add the blended peppers. So after 3 minutes, I'll go ahead and add my seasoning cube and salt to taste. You can go ahead and add your gizzard stock to it, like the water from the gizzard, but I don't want to add it to this. So, and if you like to add seasoning like curry powder and thyme to this, you can also do that, but I don't like adding curry and thyme to my stew. Honestly, I don't like it. So I love my things to be plain and simple. So after 5 minutes later, I'll go ahead and add the fried gizzard. I will stir it together. Then I will add the fried plantain. I will stir it together for about 4 minutes. So tell me, what would you like to eat with this delicious Dodo Gizzard or Plantain Gizzard? Tell me in the comment section. I want to know. Mine is rice. I can use it to eat rice, yam porridge, beans, noodles, something like that. Yeah, I love it. It's very, very nice. This is the best and perfect way to make your plantain and gizzard. Very simple and straightforward. At this stage it is ready, and I will go ahead and add my sliced minced bell pepper with onion to garnish this. This is totally optional. If you don't want to add it to yours, you can skip it, but I just like to design my plantain gizzard this way. You can see it's looking so more attractive and more beautiful. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your family or with anyone you want to share it with. Don't forget to leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider that. Subscribe. It won't cost you anything. Subscription is free of charge, so subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next video.